everybody, I hope you're all fine. I'm back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to change debit card on Crunchyroll application. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to change debit card on Crunchyroll application, first of all go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll application. After you do that, you'll be appeared with the home screen of Crunchyroll app. Now go ahead and tap on account, which is in the bottom right corner. Now after you do that, go ahead and tap on subscription, which is under membership. Now then go ahead and scroll a bit and then tap on Go Premium. And then go ahead and tap on Start Subscription. And then here you can see Add Credit or Debit Card option. So go ahead and tap on it. And then you can add your debit card number and then tap on Save, which the button will be available after you type on the card number, and then go ahead and tap on Save, and then there you go, you have changed your debit card number. So that's how quick and easy it was. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorials like this. Goodbye till then.